We already did an episode on how to put decals down. So today we're going to do one to show you how to take them off. Alright, there's a couple different ways you can do this. This is actually a painted surface, so we kind of want to be careful. This right here is already a scratch in it. We got some scratches over here. It's not critical because this whole surface is going to get wrapped once we're done. But we want to get this off so we don't have any ghosting. So we'll peel this off. We'll probably hit this with some light sandpaper just to get it perfectly smooth, and then we'll take this and it'll get wrapped. But to peel these off, you know, sometimes you're fortunate where you can just get underneath them with this is a plastic razor knife. Yeah, so sometimes you can get underneath these. What we do mostly is we'll use some heat from the heat gun, and then we'll use this rapid remover, and the rapid remover will actually take away any of the residue. It also help lift these up too. The problem is because these are sealed, it doesn't penetrate through it, so the only way the remover gets in there is as you peel up, so it's not as quick. We do have some decals that have already split. These tend to be a little bit more of a pain than ones that are still pretty solid like this. These will sometimes stay in one piece, but let's see what happens. The key here is to not heat it up too much, because if we heat it up too much, we're gonna start cooking the paint off. So we want to try to prevent that. But let's get started. you'll see with some of these, just by moving this plastic razor, we can scrape them off. The black ones. The black ones are tending to be the easier ones to get off because they've stayed whole. Just by sliding, it's just like you would with a regular knife, a regular razor blade. This plastic one works just as well, but it won't score the paint. And it's getting out of there. Like I was saying, the black came off real nice, but you can see the blue has already gotten hard and dry and it's cracked. So these are the cracks that we can see. There's cracks that we really can't see. These are going to be tough. So let's get started. We got all the stickers off. Next thing we got to do is get rid of all this residue. So we'll use some of the liquid residue remover, get that off, and then we're gonna have to just go ahead and clean this thing up with some sandpaper, because we did go, you can see we're scratched into the paint. And then this thing will be ready to go, ready to get wrapped. Okay, now we're going to hit this with some 320 and a DA sander just to get everything smoothed out. Use some soapy water just to give us some lubricant. Now you can see it's nice and smooth. There's no residue, no bumps. Yeah, that wrap should go right on here now. Now the good part is I got 4 more of these to do. Alright, so we're going to let this one go ahead and dry, and then we'll put this one away and we'll break out the next one. Like I said, I got 4 more of these. So this is one of the fronts. Then we have a back that goes behind this, a front and back for the other side, and the back, and a short piece in the front. So yeah, it's gonna take us some time, but we'll get it done. The key is to get it done right the first time, and this way we don't have to worry about it down the road. So I hope you learned something here. Yeah, like I had said, we could use the mechanical wheel to remove these. The problem with the mechanical wheel is I was worried about this material being so thin. I didn't want to end up putting dents in it. So this worked out all right. Wish everything was like the black lines, because they came off a lot easier. But that's it. So make sure you like this video. Go ahead and share it if you know somebody that can use the information, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. All right, thanks. See you next time.